Hi, my name is Tom. I live in Indianapolis, Indiana. As you can see, I'm outside my garden. I enjoy being outside, hiking, biking, walking, and working out. And it's a beautiful day in the Midwest. I can highly recommend Sugar Shift to anybody willing to take a probiotic and just to experience the difference in their energy level, their performance, their gut health. Again, particularly with the immunity challenges we've got today, I think it's really critical to have something sustainable in your body every single day. I take 2 a day. One in the morning with breakfast, one at night with meals. And again, I noticed that a real cleanliness around the gut performance, the health, the energy level that I've got experienced. And so I find it to be a terrific product. It's very consistent. It's easy to take, and the results are there. Again, I think it's all deeply rooted in the science and the research that comes out of the Bio Collective.